Another great tutorial website that I want you to be aware of is from the public library. So you go to the public library's website and then you click on e-library and then you click on online resources. And then the area where you probably be spending most of your time would be under academics, tutoring, and testing. So if you click on learning and scroll down to Learning Express, this is a great site to help you with all of your schoolwork. So we want to sign in and register. Then you click this button that you're a new user and you register. So this has a lot of centers on it for you to look at. So it tells you have college prep for your 11th and 12th graders for SAT, AP tests, ACT, and then the school center is where you would spend most of your time. And then they also have something for Spanish speaking persons. And then we have stuff for college students, adults. Maybe you can tell your parents they might be interested in career preparation. So if you click on the school center, you'll see elementary, middle, and high school. And there will be a lot of resources here where you can study skills that you need. So you have math, English, science, technology. So this is Learning Express available from the public library. I hope you enjoy it.